Perfect. All right, first question. What AI-driven task management tools are considered the best right now for helping people stay organized and on top of their goals?
Right now, some of the best AI-driven task management tools in 2026 include ClickUp, which uses an AI assistant called ClickUp Brain, Motion, which automatically schedules tasks into your calendar, Todoist with AI to break down tasks, and Notion, which uses AI to generate tasks from notes. Depending on whether you need a full business dashboard or just a personal planner, one of these could really help keep you organized.
Ooh, nice selection. I've heard a lot of good things about Motion, especially for balancing meetings and deep work. So next up, what are the top AI focus or distraction blocking tools people are using to boost concentration?
Right now, two top AI tools for boosting focus are Chronoid, which tracks your app usage and blocks distractions on Mac, and Mindflow AI, an iOS app that uses voice interaction to help with focus and habit tracking. Chronoid is great for deep work on Mac, while Mindflow AI is useful for hands-free focus on the go, though it uses a subscription model.
Ah, nice. Yeah, I can see how those would really help, especially if you're juggling devices. All right, next question. What are the best AI time tracking tools that give you insights on where your day goes and help you optimize your schedule?
Some of the top AI time tracking tools in 2026 include Timely, which automatically tracks your work across apps and drafts timesheets using AI, Rise, which assigns tasks and clients automatically, TimeCamp with AI analytics, Hubstaff for remote teams focusing on productivity, and Clockify, which offers basic AI suggestions. The best choice depends on whether you prefer automatic capture, client assignment, or focus insights, with Timely and Rise being strong overall picks.
Ah, great breakdown. Yeah, I can see how Timely's automatic tracking would save a ton of hassle. All right, one more. Are there any AI tools that combine all these aspects, tasks, focus, and time tracking into one holistic productivity hub?
Sure. In 2026, a few AI productivity tools combine task management, focus, and time tracking all in one. ClickUp uses its AI assistant Brain to handle tasks, timesheets, and focus blocks, while Motion automatically schedules your day and tasks based on your calendar. Alfred acts like a personal assistant, surfacing key tasks from your emails and messages. These tools give you a holistic view so you can balance all aspects of your productivity in one place.
That's awesome. Yeah, it sounds like ClickUp and Motion really give you that all-in-one feel. I think I've got a great starting point now. Thanks. If I test any of them out, I'll let you know how it goes.
Absolutely. I'd love to hear how it goes once you get hands-on. And if you run into any quirks or need more tips, I'm totally here for it. Good luck diving in.
I really appreciate that. Yeah, I'll definitely keep you posted. And if anything else pops up, maybe I need some help choosing a feature or just want a second opinion, I'll reach out. Thanks again.
Of course, anytime. I'm really excited to see how it works for you, and I'll be here if you need anything else. Good luck with everything.